The story of my Hornby Standard Class 4 MT. 4 locos later and a lot of work, I finally seem to have one that works. Hi, how are you? Staying safe, I hope. Well, this story starts in June 2019, where I saw an ad for a Hornby R3548 460 Standard Class 4 MT tender locomotive. I love this type of loco and snapped it up at a bargain price. However, during the running in period it was clear all was not well. Soon it started grinding and slowing down and getting hot. Given my experiences with the Hornby S15 previously, I arranged to send the loco back for a replacement. Oddly, the shop came back saying that they thought it sounded okay, however they sent me a new model. Well, when this arrived, it certainly ran well. However, on closer inspection, it had a number of damaged areas, and to me had dust in places where dust could only build up when something is left on a layout for some long time and not cleaned. You're seeing pictures now, judge for yourself. Again, it was sent back, but the shocking reply came back that A, it had not left them like that, and B, there was no dust on it that they could see. Well, the poor old postman then, because he must have taken it out for a run, covered it in dust before delivering it to me. Oh, and then cleaned it all off again before he took it back to the shop. Well, that was it for me. Money back and no more Hornby again. However, I'm a very forgetful person, so in 2020, just before COVID-19 hit, I spotted a sale for what turned out to be the same model, but from another shop. What could go wrong, eh? Oh dear, when it arrived it ran like a pig, and no amount of running would solve it. It went straight back, and a new one arrived shortly after. Anyway, a number of my viewers suggested I fully service the replacement loco before even running it. I did just that, and made the video you can click and see on the top right of the screen now.
Or ever has been.
I discovered that the bearings of the motor were indeed dry, bone dry. Initially it seemed okay after this, but it soon started running erratically again and getting hot. I was utterly fed up, and due to not being able to get to the post office and return this one, I decided to strip the motor down to find out what on earth was going on. I discovered that the brushes had partly crumbled and had been assembled bent. I corrected this and reassembled the motor. It ran a bit slower than expected, but it ran, and it is still running, as you can see here. Oh dear, what do you do? Anyway, hope that was of interest to some of you. Take care, bye.